Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you won't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but if there is something that's really exciting, there will be some bonus videos, so make sure that notification is turned on. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, today I'm going to be doing a full reveal of the Revolution and Clueless collection. You may have seen it on Trend Mood. I am honestly so pumped to show you this collection, and we're going to be doing 2 videos for it. So in today's video, as you can tell obviously by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to show you the full collection, but I'm also going to do a review and a little try on of the Forever Flawless palette that is in here, a little sneak preview. And then for tomorrow's video, which is going to be a bonus video on a Thursday, I'm going to do a video on all of the different characters. So each of the 3 characters have their own little bit in the collection. So tomorrow I will do a look on each character, so make sure that you've got that notification bell turned on. Let's just get straight into it. So first up we have the black cosmetic bag. So this is just what it looks like, and then it has a little zip and it opens up, and I've got some goodies in there already, as you can tell. So this retails for £12, $17, €12.99 euros, and 24 Australian dollars. So in here I have 3 of the girls' palettes. So there's a palette for each of the main characters. So obviously we have Cher, Dion and Ty. So let's start with the main girls. We have Cher's wardrobe, which looks like this. So this is her Cher's wardrobe palette. It retails for £8, $10, €8.99 euros, and 16 Australian dollars. Please let me know if it's helpful me giving you all of them, because obviously I can carry on doing that for the future. So this is what Cher's palette looks like. So like I said, tomorrow I'll do all 3 characters stuff. I'm so excited to do that video. And then this is what the palette looks like. It's a nice pink and girly for Cher's. The packaging is honestly just iconic for this collection. And then for Dion's one, it just looks like a little phone. And then the inside obviously matches the outer packaging. So this one is what Dion's palette looks like. Same price again, so £8, $10, €8.99 euros, and then 16 Australian dollars. I'm really excited to do a look of this one. I honestly think it's a stunning palette, and I really like that there's a split between 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. I just feel like it's got a nice little variation for me to do a look with. So that one is Dion's palette. And then we have Ty's palette, which just looks like a little tape, which is so crazy because like there'll be kids that won't even know what that is. And obviously again the inside matches the outer packaging. And then this one is what her palette looks like. And then this is the packaging close up. So again we have the split of 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. The shimmers in here are beautiful. This one, this makeover, ugh, it's a bit of me. It's a bit of me, what can I say? Also in the collection we have a handheld mirror. So this retails for £10, $15, €11.99 euros, and then 20 Australian dollars. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Obviously it's got a little film on the actual mirror. Let's get her out of her packaging. That is so cute, honestly. There's a little tab. Oh my god, I absolutely love that. So you just peel. Oh, the Clueless is actually on the mirror. I thought it was just going to be on that bit. Love that. So obviously this is what the mirror looks like. Absolutely love that. It's really lightweight as well. And then obviously we have the other bag. So this is the Tartan cosmetic bag, and this retails for £8, $10, €8.99 euros, and then 16 Australian dollars. So this is just what the bag looks like. It's got a little pom-pom on the end of it. And of course each of the characters have their own nails. Unfortunately I get my nails done, so I won't be able to use these, but I didn't realise my sister Millie is really into Clueless, so I'll definitely be giving these to her. Any nails that I get from the collection, I normally give them to Jess or Laura, but I'll ask Millie if Millie wants these because she absolutely loves Clueless, which I didn't know about. I didn't think kids these days would be really into it because it's like a 90s film, isn't it? So these actually retail for the same as the Tartan bag, so £8, $8, €8.99 euros, and then 16 Australian dollars. So I'll show you what they look like. So this is Ty's false nails. Then we have Dion's, which has the little phone on it. Oh my god, absolutely adorable. And then of course we have Cher's nails. And I love that it says, as if. That was the worst accent ever. We're nowhere near done, by the way. I've got hair accessories. I've got another box full of stuff. This is honestly such an amazing collection. So each of the girls also have their own little hair accessory. So for Cher's one, we have the headband. We also have the 2 little clips as well, which obviously match her iconic outfit. This retails for £6, $8, €6.99 and 12 Australian dollars. And then the same price for the next 2 for the girls as well. So Dion's is like a little hair like rings with like little accessories on them, and then that one is a hair clip at the bottom. Absolutely adorable. And then of course for ties we have 3 scrunchies. We have like a clear one, we have obviously a tartan one, and then we have a black velvet one, and again they were all the same price. And then moving on to this box of goodies, so again obviously each of the girls have their own lip gloss, which looks like this, and they have pom-pom key rings on. Honestly, this is such a throwback. So this one is Cher's one, and I don't know if you can see, I think it's definitely picking up on camera, it's a glittery one, and then it has obviously the pom-pom on the end. And this is £6, $7, €6.99 and then 12 Australian dollars, and the other 2 are the same price. So this is what ties looks like, and then this is it up close with the little pom-pom. It definitely has glitter in it. It's got more of like a pinky tone to it, that one, if you can see in the packaging. Like it's not like Cher's where it's clear. And then we have Dion's, which is more of like a more vibrant-y purpley pink. And hers doesn't have any shimmer in. So if you wanted to get one but without having shimmer, this one would be the one to get. And then that is just what it looks like. And again, with the little pom-pom, which I think is so cute. And if you thought we were finished on pom-poms, oh, we were not. We were not. So each of the girls has a pom-pom lip liner. Like this is just right up my street. So obviously we have Cher's one, which is a pink one. Like I said, all of like the character stuff, like literally everything apart from the Forever Flawless palette, I'm going to do it in a full review video tomorrow and do 3 separate looks. Honestly, so pumped. So this is what Cher's one looks like. So this will be a nice pink one with a little pink pom-pom. These retail for £5, which I think is absolutely amazing. So they are £5, $6, €4.99 and then 10 Australian dollars. I think £5 for a lip liner that's also a license as well, like a collab with a brand, is just unbelievable. So then we have Ty's one, which is like this, which is more of like a darker one. Don't know how to explain that. I'm not good at that kind of stuff. And then of course we have Dion's one, which is like this, a nice kind of like darker, reddy kind of one. Beautiful. And then last for the pom-poms is this. So this is actually a black liquid eyeliner. Oh my god, so the eyeliner is the same price. So the eyeliner is £5, $6, €5.99 and 10 Australian dollars. So the same price for the liquid eyeliner. And then last but not least in the collection, we have a Forever Flawless palette, and it looks like a video cassette. If you're a 90s kid, like, oh my god, I used to watch Lion King on like video on tape, and then you'd have to rewind it and then watch it again. It's just a throwback. Kids these days don't understand the struggle. So this is the Plaid Perfect Forever Flawless palette, and this retails for £12, just like the normal Forever Flawless palettes. It's $15, €12.99 and 24 Australian dollars. So this is just what the packaging looks like, and I love that they've done it like black on the side, like a cassette. Yeah, honestly, this collection is just amazing. I'm so excited to review it. And then they've done the inside, so it looks like this. Honestly, I'm absolutely obsessed, and that is what the back looks like. Ooh, little things falling out on me. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. So totally different to like the other ones. I'm really excited for us to do a look in today's video using this. And then this is what the palette looks like up close. I'm going to do some swatches in a minute so we can see what it looks like, and we'll put this on my eyeballs. So let's just get straight into the tutorial. So this is the first 2 rows of the Clueless and Revolution As If Forever Flawless palette. Absolutely stunning. Some of the shimmers in this are like really like soft and putty. It's a very like different formula. It's absolutely beautiful. And then this is the last row of the palette. That purple is absolutely stunning. Oh my god. You see, it's like squishy. It's so weird. There's quite a few that's like it. So that one's the same, squishy. This one's squishy. That one's squishy. That one. And that one. So P. Louise base in the shade Rumour number 2. I'm just going to dot this all over the lid, and then I'm just going to use a Peaches and Cream PC29 brush to blend all of that across the lid. So I'm going to take a, oh, it's this brush, Morphe Medicine Beer brush. I definitely got this in a bundle because I didn't buy this, this individually. And it's like a little pointy packing on brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade LA Traffic, which is the purple in the palette. The pigment of this purple is absolutely insane. And I'm going to start by tapping this and just kind of gently wiggling it into the crease. I'm just going to do that across my whole lid. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so now that it's looking like this, I've done like a bit of like a rounded shape, and it's a little bit jagged, but I'm not really bothered because I'm going to blend it out with another colour. I'm going to go in with a Revolution Pro brush that was from a Christmas gift set, I'm assuming. And I'm going to go in with the shade Betty, which is this lighter purple here. I was like debating whether to go for a yellow to blend out the purple, but I wanted to do a pretty look. So many times when I do reviews, I do the look that's going to use as many colours as possible, but sometimes I just want to do a pretty look out of a palette. So that's what I'm going to do today, especially with it being Clueless. I think it just needs to be done right. So I'm going to take Betty and use that to blend out this darker purple and just go around the full crease, and as you can see, it just starts to really diffuse it. Oh my god, I am obsessed with how this has turned out. Like I said, this is just 2 eyeshadow colours. Wow, wow. See, I don't know what shimmer to go for. There's so many to choose from this palette, and I really want to go for this one, but I don't know if it's going to be light enough. I want something that's it's going to be quite standouty. I am quite tempted by the more goldy one. Shocker. I think I'm going to go for this one just because that one's just not going to be the intensity that I want. Like I'm going to show you. So this one's the shade Give Snaps. And if I pop that on there, it's just not going to be, I want something that's like really, really vibrant. Again, so I'm just going to do the other eye so it matches. So I'm going to go for RSVP, which is the more golden green in the palette. I'm going to go in with my pinky to see whether I get a bit more control using that, and I'm just packing that on my eye like that. Oh, it's really pretty. I might actually mix it. Yeah, I'm going to mix it with Give Snaps, which is the more greeny one that I was showing you. I'm going to mix them together. This is the Benefit Cream Shadow brush, but obviously it's designed for cream shadows. I'm hoping that this might be better at picking it up. Oh my god, yeah. So much better at picking it up. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so nice for brush, which is not normally the case. And then that is what the shimmer looks like. I'm not even joking. I'm absolutely obsessed with that because it looks like I've done a cut crease, like a soft cut crease, but I haven't. Oh my god, I'm definitely going to be using this brush to apply these more putty, like, kind of textures, because that was just heavenly to apply, like absolutely heavenly. I'm going to go back in with the shade that we used to pack on LA Traffic, which was that darker purple, and just use that to blend the shimmer and the darker purple in the outer corner. Don't forget as well, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a review on everything else in the collection and doing a look per character, so make sure that you come back tomorrow. I'm obsessed with how this has turned out. Let me put on the rest of my makeup and I'll finish underneath my eyes and I'll show you the finished look. Before I go do the rest of my makeup actually, I'm going to go in with this shade here, this white icy beautifulness. And I'm going to take a Revolution Roxy brush, which is really good for picking up the putty ones for your inner corner. I'm going to put that right in. Oh, I haven't managed to get it down there. I'll clean that up afterwards. Right in that inner corner. Oh my god, that is absolutely blinding. Wow. Oh my god, I'm not even in focus. Excuse me. That inner corner is blinding. Alex, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. That is absolutely blinding. Right, I'll go finish my face. So this is the finished look. I don't know if you can tell, but because it is more of like a putty eyeshadow, it does keep separating, and I think it's about maybe the 3rd time that I've kind of topped it up now. So if anyone's got any tips on how to set like a cream shadow like this, with my eyes being so like wrinkly, please let me know, because it is absolutely stunning. I think it's beautiful. Don't forget to check back tomorrow for a review on the rest of the collection. I'm so excited. If you wonder what I've got on my lips, by the way, just in case you're curious, it's the P. Louise Standards lip liner with the Urban Decay Native Cream lipstick, and then I've topped it off literally with the tiniest bit. I don't really think this is like needed, but I use the I Heart Revolution Tasty Marshmallow Shimmer Lip Gloss, and that is my little lip combination. I have got like a really dark foundation on because I'm testing it, ready for when I go out on Saturday night with my Patreons. I'm so excited. We're going out in London. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'd love to know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for the other review. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.